Emmett Flood, White House lawyer brought on to help navigate Russia investigation, to depart June 14. Emmett Flood, the veteran defense lawyer the White House brought in to help navigate Robert S. Mueller III's special counsel investigation, will be leaving on June 14, President Trump said Saturday. In announcing the departure, Trump said Flood had done an outstanding job. No collusion, no obstruction. Case closed. Flood's departure after Mueller concluded his investigation in March, as his main role was helping manage the White House's responses to Mueller's work. But even after for example, Flood criticized Mueller's final report for failing to comply with the requirements of governing law. He said the President. Trump subsequently Flood, who served previously on President Bill Clinton's personal legal team as Congress prepared to impeach him, entered the Trump White House in May 2018 and replaced Ty Cobb. A graduate of Yale Law School and former Supreme Court clerk for Justice Antonin Scalia, Flood spent much of his career at the Williams & Connolly law firm. In addition to work, Flood was based in the White House counsel's office, though his title was White House lawyer, and he was uniquely focused on responding to Mueller's investigation. He served as Mueller found insufficient evidence to allege that the Trump campaign coordinated with Russia to influence the election, but he declined to decide one way or the other whether Trump had tried to obstruct his investigation. The president has
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.